Today, we remember the beloved brother of the congregation, Gerard Magella, a humble servant of God, but most of all, a redemptress missionary, a visionary of hope in the footsteps of the Redeemer. This year, the congregation has launched the 300 years of his birth anniversary, honoring this beloved brother of the redemptress who have served God and His people, especially the most abandoned. Isang simpleng brother po si St. Gerard. But he made it a point na lahat ng ginagawa niya, ang panalangin niya ay sundin ang kalooban ng Diyos. Hindi po ba yun ang puso ng kabanalan? Not our own plans, but God's plan. Not our strength, but His grace. Pinapaalala sa atin ni San Gerardo na ang katapatan sa mga maliliit na bagay ang nagiging dahilan para tayo maging banal, lalo na kung ito ay ginagawa natin sa pagsunod sa kalooban ng Diyos. He is especially known today as the patron of mothers due to miraculous interventions for women in childbirth. He understood the dignity of life and the beauty of self-giving love. Para po sa amin, St. Gerard Family Life Center, nawa kagaya ng inyong patron na pinupintuho, nawa sa pakikilakbay po ninyo sa mga kapwa nating nangangailangan, nawa po ang kalooban ng Diyos ang mangyari at palagi ninyong dasalin. And for us, conquerors, my dear fellow redemptors, may the prayer of St. Gerard be also ours. May God's will be done as long God wills it. St. Gerard Magella, pray for us.